Hello friends, my name is Prithvi Thoma and today I am going to present you my topic food products recalls and traceability. So, food product recalls and traceability requirements are important regulations that are put in place to ensure food safety and protect consumers. These regulations are necessary to identify and remove contaminated or unsafe products from the market and to enable efficient tracking of food products throughout the supply chain. Compliance with these regulations is crucial for any business involved in food industry. In Canada, the CFIA or the Canadian Food Inspection Agency is responsible for ensuring food safety regulations and including the recall of unsafe food products and ensuring traceability throughout the supply chain. A food recall is an action taken by manufacturer, distributor or retailer to remove a product from the market due to safety concerns. There are several reasons why a food recall may be initiated, including the presence of foreign material, allergens or harmful pathogen. Now, there are two types of recalls. One is voluntary and another is mandatory. Voluntary recall is initiated by a company on their own accord, while the mandatory recall is ordered by a regulatory agency. It depends on the risk who initiates it. Now, a recall plan is efficient for businesses to quickly respond to recall situation. A recall plan should have a team managing the recall, communication strategies, and procedures for identifying and removing the product. A good recall plan can decrease the impact on customers, reduce the risk of legal action against the company, and protect the reputation of the business. Traceability systems are important to track food from its origin to final destination. This is important for identifying the source of contamination and other safety concerns. Now, a traceability system consists of several components, including a lot number, batch number, tracking records. The system should be able to trace the product through all stages of the supply chain. CFI has the guidelines for implementing a traceability system that business should follow. This technology consists of RFID tags, barcodes, and other technologies can be used to track products throughout the supply chain. These technologies can increase the efficiency and accuracy of tracing products. Accurate data not only helps in recall but also helps in understanding the finance, business, and sales of the company. Now, this data includes origin of the product, destination, and any handling process that occur in between. Here in this diagram, we can see how does a food tracing system works. From the harvest till it is sold to the customer, there are various steps that are taken here. As we can see, the harvest where the food is grown. There's a geolocation on it, farmer information, crop information, certifications, contact details, registration numbers. Then at warehouse, again the information is taken of the farmer's name, variety, date, and quantity. There are further inspections, quality inspection. When it is finished and the food is safe to go, it is sent further for picking and packing, and then it is shipped to the third-party warehouses or directly to the customers. Now, there are several benefits and challenges comes with it, such as it can help business grow efficiently and accurately and traceability. Electronic systems can automate the tracking and identification process, reduce the risk of human error, and increase the speed of product identification. The use of technology can also improve communication between stakeholders and facilitate the sharing of information. There are also challenges associated with implementing a traceability system, including the cost of technology, the need for training, and potential of data privacy breaches. But businesses should balance the benefits with the cost. Now, CFIA plays an important role in ensuring the effectiveness of traceability systems. They provide guidance and support to businesses on implementing a traceability system and perform audits and inspection and verify compliance with regulatory requirements. Here we have some case studies, some famous food recalls like 2017 flour recall due to E. coli contamination. Again, 2018 Roman lettuce recall due to E. coli contamination, and 2019 frozen berry recall due to hepatitis A contamination. The Canada's National Food Traceability System is a government initiative that aims to improve traceability of food products throughout the supply chain. The system is based on a lot of codes and unique identifiers to take the product from farm to table. In short, I can say that food product recalls and traceability systems are critical for ensuring the safety and integrity of Canadian food supply. Compliance with CFIA regulations as well as the implementation of food recall and traceability systems can minimize the risk of food contamination and protect public health and enhance the reputation of businesses in food industry. Now here are some references from which I have derived data for my presentation. I thank you all for listening to my presentation and thank you.